Hello children, welcome back to the video session of English grammar. In this video session, you are going to view some types of nouns. As you all know, a noun is a name of a person, place, animal, and a thing. And children, now you are going to view the type of nouns. The first types of noun is proper nouns. The nouns, which are the names of a particular person, particular place, particular animal, particular bird, and a particular thing, are called proper nouns. Proper nouns begin with a capital letter. Example for proper noun: the particular name of a village, the particular name of a boy, and the particular name of a girl. The next type of noun is common noun. A noun which shows a name given in common to a person, place, animal, bird, and a thing of the same class or kind is called a common noun. Some examples for common nouns are village, school, birds, sky, farmers, cattle, field. Villagers are names given in common to a person, place, animal, or thing. And the next type of noun is collective nouns. The nouns which shows a collection of people, collection of animals, collection of birds, and a collection of things are called as collective nouns. Some examples of collective nouns are an album of photos, a shoal of fish, a bundle of sticks, a chain of mountains, a class of students, a heap of stones, a clump of trees, a cluster of eggs. And the next type of noun is an abstract noun. A noun which shows a quality, action, or state, condition of something is called an abstract noun. Examples for abstract noun are: the gentleness of the man attracted the children. Here, the word gentleness describes a quality of the man. The next example: the flight of the birds was smooth and fast. Here the word flight shows the action of flying done by the birds. One more example: he talks in his sleep. Here the word sleep shows the state or the condition in which he rests. Abstract nouns can be formed from adjectives, verbs, and common nouns. One more example, children. The teacher is teaching history in class. Here, the teacher is a common noun, history is an abstract noun, and class is a collective noun. And the next type of noun is material noun. The noun which denotes the substance or a material of which a thing is made up of is called a material noun. Examples for material noun are gold, silk, milk, leather, wood, sugar, cotton, flour, silver, bread, wheat, paper, water, etc. The next one is gender noun. There are 4 types of gender noun. The first one is masculine gender, feminine gender, common gender, and neuter gender. A noun that denotes a male member is called the masculine gender. Example: man. A noun that denotes a female member is called the feminine gender. Example, girls. A noun that denotes either a male or a female member is called the common gender. A noun that denotes neither male nor female member is called the neuter gender. The next type of noun is countable noun and uncountable noun. The nouns which can be counted are called counted nouns. If a noun is countable, then a and an can be used before countable nouns. Example, a book, an egg. The question how many is asked for countable nouns. Example, how many rackets does Jack have? Numbers can be used with countable nouns. Example, 5 rackets, 1 shuttlecock. Words like few are also used before countable nouns. Example, there are few people in the cinema hall. Plurals are found in countable nouns. Example, books, pieces. The nouns which cannot be counted are called uncountable nouns. If a noun is uncountable, then we usually do not use a or an before it. Example, there is a milk in the pot. This is a wrong sentence. The correct sentence is, there is milk in the pot. The question, how much is asked for it. Example, how much rice does Tina have? Numbers cannot be used for it. Example, give me one water. This is a wrong sentence. The correct one is, give me some water. They normally do not have a plural. Example, give me some rices. This is a wrong sentence. The correct one is, give me some rice. Words like some, any, much, less, little are used with it. Example, tell me some news that you have heard. Add a little sugar in my tea. Is there any milk in the pot? There is little water in the bottle. Now we'll see some examples for collective nouns. The boy went to the florist and asked for a dash of flowers. The answer is bouquet. Next example, the archer carried a dash of arrows. The answer is a quiver of arrows. Some examples for abstract noun. Dash is the best policy. The answer is honesty is the best policy. Here the word honesty is called as an abstract noun. Next example, Birbal's dash made him famous in Akbar's court. Answer is Birbal's wisdom made him famous in Akbar's court. Here the word wisdom is called as an abstract noun. Next example, the basket is made from jute. Here the word jute is called as a material noun. The next example, the bag is made from leather. The word leather is called as a material noun. We eat dash and dash for breakfast. The answer is bread and butter. Here the words bread and butter is called as a material noun. Raman cut a cake made of dash for his birthday. The answer is chocolate. Here the word chocolate is called as a material noun.